Hey everybody, are you ready to jump in and see what's in the latest Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead? John Bead has been buying beads for 70 years. They have warehouses full of beautiful, antique, hard to find beads, and they are including them in this subscription bead box. You can't beat it. Okay, here we go. Here's the postcard with the theme of the box, Lavender Serenity, and there's an inspirational story on the back for you. The first thing I see is this huge bag of iridescent acrylic bows, roses, and butterflies. If you're making a mermaid crown for the summer, you have to include these. Next, we have a dark blue floral porcelain bead plated in gold, glass hearts, 8mm Alexandrite AB crystals, and pressed glass butterflies. This big clam has check, seed, and pony beads in a royal amethyst mix, check bugle beads in a midnight mix, round purple glass beads, and 9x11mm glass oval rosaline beads. My new favorite DIY pen filled with bicone check crystal beads. Here we have amethyst flat glass ovals, 13x7mm twisted rectangular beads in amethyst, transparent size 2 seed beads in gray rainbow, and fancy crystals also in amethyst. Here are some semi-precious pear shapes, glass beads in different shapes in shades of pink, purple donuts, navette-shaped opaque metallic purple, and beautiful hot pink semi-precious ovals. 2 strands of check candy beads in pearl pastels. I love that John Bead includes some finished pieces like this pearl necklace. There's also a fun butterfly charm included. Here are size 2 transparent multi-luster check seed beads, glass daggers, and glass pressed beads with a beautiful matte luster. Love this strand of 24x19mm stone-shaped speckled glass in amber. Here are some 50-gram tubes of size 5 pink opaque matte seed beads, some multicolored check triangular beads, and a size 6 purple passion mix of seed beads. Amazing colors in this candy shop mix of size 6 check seed beads. Lavender pressed butterflies, and 10mm cracked glass in sapphire. These clasps are the perfect way to finish your jewelry pieces. Here's a 10mm square in crystal and silver, and a gold clasp with a huge topaz octagon in the center. 1/8" satin ribbon, and finally our collector pin and sticker. If you love beads as much as I do, make sure to check out the Curiosities subscription bead box from John Bead. I'll leave a link in the description.